So I've been trying to feed Joshua, and this is what he's been doing persistently all day long. See, he has some puffs. He has some puffs in his tray that he's been eating. Oh, now you're quiet. Yeah, you should hear it in person. It's so loud. There's Alexander. Looking at his brother like, what's wrong with you, huh? Alexander? Alexander, hi baby. Can I get a smile? You're such a good boy. You're a good boy. Do you like your food? All day long. He is just having a bad day.